Howdy folks. Well, today's offering is chicken and bacon pot pie in an enamel camp cup, cooked in a coffee can. It's delicious, it's really easy, a really good simple thing to do with groups if you want to get them a bit involved in doing the camp cooking. You could do this in a Dutch oven, you don't have to do it in a coffee can, but you'll get the idea. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Bingo. A handful of mushrooms in my cup. A little condensed mushroom soup, just to cover the mushrooms. A little cream style corn. Not too much, leave some room for the bacon and chicken. Sauteed up the bacon and chicken. Don't lose any. That's perfect. Homemade biscuit, but the Pillsbury ones, straight out the packet, work perfect. Just spread it out. Okay, vent hole. Very important. Yeah, ball bearings. This is the tricky bit. Yes, you see that. And now we wait. Ash on the top, but let's see what we've got going on here. See if I can't do a nice presentation thing here. Oh, I've lost it. Oh. Check all the goodliness in there. Quite nice, you can see how the biscuit has expanded nicely. Made a kind of a, well, a dumpling, I suppose. But you can see how. Oh wow, look at that. A little bit of everything. Oh boy. Yep. Well, this has been, so you can see what I'm doing, this has been another canteen cup creation. This time on an enamel mug. This has been chicken and bacon pot pie in an enamel mug. As you can see, it's easy to do, piece of cake, fun too, and hope I've given some of you guys some inspiration or ideas for the coming cold nights. Winter is coming. Up in the north there. Boy, that's good. That's another good one. Right? Wow. Volcanic hot though. Don't want to end up fern barking as usual. That is so good. The biscuit has absorbed the smoky flavour, so it's a kind of a smoky chicken and bacon pot pie. Alright, that's it for me. Scout out. See you in the next one. Oh, before I go, thanks very much everybody. Two things actually. Somehow news of my birthday got out and I got a lot of birthday wishes on one of my videos. Thanks ever so much everybody that wished me a happy birthday. I don't know who let the cat out of the bag there, a few weeks back now. Also, you haven't seen much up from me lately, and it's a bit of a weird day. Went on a hike, videoing a really cool new hike. Weather came in very strange. I was up above the cloud line, the low cloud line. It was an unfamiliar trail. We got very narrow on a steep incline there. I nearly lost Spudley over the side twice, so decided to turn back. On my way back, I took a spill myself, and then at one point realised that my camera was missing. I've already backtracked there once. Thanks everyone for you know, commenting on that. Yes, I have been back there. I've been back to look at it. Of course, the big thing is also the SIM card, because there was a lot of video footage on that, not only of that trip but stuff that I've been saving. But I should have just swapped the SIM card out. But it's kind of crimped me a bit. I'm actually shooting this video on my tablet, so I'm down to kind of vloggy style videos at the moment. I'm working on that. I've got a like a cheap backup, one of those action cameras, no-name action cameras, which you may have noticed isn't quite the same. That ant video I shot with that. But anyway, it's put a bit of a crimp in proceedings, but we'll be back on track shortly. I'm going to get re-equipped and stuff. I'm going to go back up and see if I can find the camera again. That's it then, quick channel update there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.